Oh well, now that you're here, now let's go get in the car to get Abraham Lincoln. Let's go. Alright, we're going to the desert. Come on, let's go. Now let's go get Abraham Lincoln. Alright, we're here. Abraham Lincoln. Hello. Well, it's very great. Well, that's very funny. Alright. That was a better idea. Whoops! It sounds like game time. Alright, let's do another listening safari. Oh yeah. Come on, let's go. That sounds like a money bag. Come on, let's keep going. Ah! What was that? It's a mosquito. Alright, safari is almost over. It's a bee. You're right. Turn your lights back on. Thanks for coming. If you hate this video, please give a comment down below or hit this like button. Sharing is caring. Enjoy.